Now, maybe you're sitting in your chair thinking, what the fuck? I don't have an A-list celebrity background. I'm not a model. How can I start building a small following, maybe to 10K? And I know you've seen a lot of videos about people with Instagram strategies and you've maybe applied it and it just hasn't worked. Today, I'm gonna show you my non-bullshit, okay, 100% legit strategies to grow your Instagram account. All I gotta do, if you wanna know, is keep on watching. I just wanna start off saying there's only 2 simple things you need to know in this entire video. You've seen people that say, go follow, unfollow, go use engagement groups. I've actually said that advice before. And maybe you're confused which one to go for. We're all busy people. What's actually gonna get me results? So I really want to set up the story so you understand how to grow your account properly and not buy some fucking random ass followers. I want you to really think. The most followed users on Instagram are A-list celebrities. But if you take a look at maybe Kylie Jenner's comments, what do you see? So I want to show you guys the comment section. And maybe you're wondering, why the fuck do I need to care about the comment section? The reason why this is so important is because you have to understand, in order to grow an Instagram, it isn't some magical, let me use this website that says automation and grow your Instagram and people are gonna follow you. It doesn't work like that. People don't follow you just because you get a shout out. People don't follow you just because you have cute content and your selfie's nice. People follow you because of this. If you look at her comment section, do you kind of notice that a lot of people are tagging their friends? For example, I'm just gonna call out this poor girl that has no idea I'm gonna call her out. You know, Fiercella tags her friend April Lopez. It says 100%. This user, which is under Alexa Sco, God, you're gonna hate me that I'm calling you out, but you know, just commented to her friend Rachel Kappen saying that they're the same. There's about exactly, you know, 20,000 comments. So this tagging, you know, behavior is common in every celebrity. I actually want you guys to check it out. Go on Ariana Grande, go on Selena Gomez. It's either like some random ass spam comment or someone tagging their friend. The reason why I'm saying this is because why the fuck is everyone on YouTube giving a tutorial on how to use hashtags or, you know, follow and follows and like trains to grow their account when the real growth is happening through tagging people? And I just realized this. It's so simple, okay? There's only 2 things you need to know on how to grow your account. First, have content that's shareable. And second, share it. Now, I know you're sitting in your chairs thinking, Jade, what the fuck? I don't understand that. I make content. I hope people are sharing it. How can I make sure this is actually working? Now, I know what you're saying, Sally, okay? This is some intense advanced shit. Everyone out here who's watching this video is the real deal. Most people on YouTube would watch some bullshit tutorial, but you're on this channel to learn the real deal stuff. So the first thing is, how to make good content, Jade? Making great content is all about storytelling. I'm telling you, it's not about how pretty you are or how good your butt selfie is. I mean, those get likes. People love that. That can't change on Instagram. But what about caption? You know, what story are you telling? How are you trying to give people value? Once you understand what type of story you want to tell, whether it's a, you know, a day in a life where you tell about, you know, your food, what you eat in a day, or you share things about maybe your photography hobbies, it's important to tell a story, because once you tell people a story and they read the entire caption, they look at the photo, that's when step 2 is able to come in handy so people can share it. The number 1 thing you have to realize is viral posts don't happen because it's random. It's very strategic. If you really look at your fucking explore page, it's typically posts that are butt selfies or memes or things that are like really easy to understand. I know a lot of you guys are posting shit that has no story, that has no value. It's just blue ass water, which is totally fine. But in order for people to share it and for this post to go viral, you need to tell a story. Quickly, just want to mention, Instagram just rolled out a brand new feature that has never been done. It's actually called the share button. I know if you have a business account, maybe you have the analytics. I highly recommend you guys to get the business account so you can look at your data better. But now you can actually see how many people are sharing your post. This is insane. People are gonna be able to tag 3 friends. You can now see people who are putting yourself in a group chat. So let me give you a few examples. So this is one of my viewers, Carlos. What's up, Carlos? I'm putting you in this video. So basically, one of you guys asked me, hey Jade, I got a lot of likes on this photo and now I'm not getting any likes. What happened? And I basically kind of took a look at Carlos's data and together we came up with a solution. So shout out to you, Carlos, for being the real one. What we found is one post that got 12,000 likes versus another post that got, you know, 2,000 likes was only because of one thing. If we look at the data, it's actually based on the shares. So the one that got 2,000 likes had 4 message shares. Now the one that got 12,000 had over 109 shares and 5,000 bookmarks. The reason why I'm analyzing this data and sharing it with you guys is because you need to look at your own analytics. You do not just create good content, because here's the truth. All creating is recreating. Now hear me out. I know you're rolling your eyes. You have to understand, like when you're in school, for example, I used to be in school and we would have to make first, second, third drafts before our final draft. Comment below if you've done that before. It was terrible. We would have to make a first draft, we had to edit it, make a second one, keep editing it until we could finally put out our homework. Now this is the same thing on Instagram. You can't just sit here with 3 posts and complain why you're not getting likes, because all creating is recreating. When you post one thing, you try to look at the data, say, and just ask yourself, what can I do better? Maybe I can add this caption or this filter. This is what people like more. Let me do more of it. So with Carlos, you know, he had to post maybe 100 times before he found out what do people love the most. And then you just keep repeating it like that. But each person is different. So for Carlos, it might work better to do, you know, pictures of a slideshow of room decor. But for you, you might have to do videos about, you know, educating what you're good at in fitness. So I guess my whole thing is kind of deceiving. You guys want to know how to make great content. The truth is you don't. You make shit content, but you learn from it and you keep recreating it and you just get 1% better. And over time, you'll learn, hey, what do people like to share more? Because here's the honest truth. All these gurus can tell you how to grow, but we don't actually know how to help you. It's different. Now, trust me, I've been there. I think one of the things that I actually was so stressed about was making another video that hit 1 million views. Like this video you're watching right now, I know might be kind of meta. I know you're watching this video and you're trying to like take notes and get value, but I had so much anxiety just trying to figure out what I wanted to say because there was so much pressure I put on myself. No one else, literally just me. And I don't know if you've been there, but ourselves are what prevents us from anything. It's not gonna be your fucking algorithm. It's not the fucking, oh, I don't have a nice camera. It's yourself. I wanna just kind of reach my hand out and just let you know, it's okay if you fuck up. It's okay if you don't know what to, it's okay if you don't know your Instagram feed or layout. I guess the bare basics is create first, edit later. Then that's how you grow on Instagram. And I think the biggest thing that Kylie Jenner does really well is make people talk about her for her. There's a reason why you don't see a Kylie Jenner ad. There's a reason why Selena Gomez doesn't have to, you know, do an engagement group, because people are talking for her. The comment section, her fans are the ones sharing it. Maybe you have to ask your followers to share this photo to their group chat. One of the biggest things is you have to be smart with engagement groups. I have a video all about engagement groups, by the way, if you want to check it out, link below. I truly believe that if you can make people to understand your story, they will share it for you. And that's the most organic way to grow on Instagram without follow and follow, without bullshit strategies. This is so simple. And I know a lot of you guys are not going to take this information because it's fucking hard. It's hard not to see results immediately. It's hard not to see growth and become Kylie Jenner tomorrow. The reason why we had so many success stories from last year isn't because people went out there and started like doing it tomorrow. It's because every day they implemented our strategies on this channel together. And the keyword is over time. Small wins over time is how these people grew their account 10 times. I want you guys to realize if you want extra motivation or you're someone who maybe needs that extra push, make sure you go hit subscribe. On this channel, I don't ask for any other shit other than make you successful. So I would highly recommend if you ever need encouragement to, you know, join the Dharma Nation. We got your back. If you ever have a question, go comment it below and we're here to back you up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. I love you.